going to demonstrate to you how to back up your data on an Android phone. For this demonstration, I'll be using a Note 8 with my S Pen. Stroll down, go to settings. From settings, you go to cloud and accounts. Once in the cloud and accounts, you go to backup and restore. Then you go to Google account. Once in Google account, you simply press backup now. You might have to wait a few minutes while it backs up your photos, your contacts. Great, once it's done, you go back like that, and now you have backed up all your data, your photos and your contacts.